What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, back with another banger video. I got something excited for you today because in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make $2 every 60 seconds right now, and it's going to be a make money online video. So I'm going to share with you how you could do this. So make sure you keep watching the videos all the way until the end and do not skip and try to get ahead, because if you skip out the most information in the middle, it's going to be more difficult for you to catch up. So if this is your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre. Like, comment, share. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, so that way when I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And I can't wait to share that with you. So I'm going to make sure that I send you that email every time I create a new video. So make sure you become a part of the family. And if you're watching this video right now, I just crossed 5,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway, right? I'm going to do a huge giveaway. So keep watching this video. Make sure you go into the community section. If you don't know where that is, that's where I post fun stuff, educational, family related stuff. So I'm going to be giving away something special just because I crossed 5,000 subscribers. So make sure on this video, you're going to type in the comment section, make money online. So the competition starts today and it starts with you. So if you're watching this video today, right, over the next week or so, after that, then I can't promise you like that giveaway will be gone. So make sure you type in the comment section, make money online. So let's dive into the video. So there it is right there. Make $2 every 60 seconds right now. So we're going to jump over to the website and I'm going to share with you that there's a lot of people actually doing this. And there's so many people that are taking action on this particular website. So I'm going to share with you as well how you can sign up, and it's absolutely free. It doesn't cost any money, so that's a good thing. And it's also worldwide, and you're going to get paid in your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you go to paypal.com and you could sign up, and sometimes they will even send you gift cards as well. So here's the website, and right down here, as you can see, like they're simplifying user research and the testing. So what they're doing, they're going to pay you to do simple research. Simply just go onto a particular website and you can look at a particular store and you can say, okay, this store or this website, they got too much information on here. Maybe they should cut this, they should cut that. And it's all about sharing your opinion. So you're going to get paid just for your opinion, right? So if you look on here, you could see all the different tasks that they want people to do. Like we define, we recruit, we carry out, and we do recommend. So it's all about a user test ROI. It's a user test experience. So they're going to be paying you just for doing simple tasks. So they have remote users all over the world, including yourself that is watching this video. So if you want to become a tester, all you have to do is just click on here. And once you click on the tester, you see right here, it says work online. You give your opinion and on mobile sites and applications. So this is only can be used on a phone. So if you don't have a phone, I do apologize, but it's not going to work. So it's all about the mobile experience. You have to have a phone. You got to have a smartphone in order for you to do this. And I'm sure most of you probably watching this, you do have a phone. Not everybody have a laptop these days. Everybody got a phone. So you can start making money. And as I said, you're going to brand listen. You're going to give your opinion. You're going to improve writing proficiencies and sense of observation. So you're going to be looking out for that type of stuff. And you get paid in vouchers and PayPal. That's how they're going to pay you. So here are some of the reviews that people are already giving. People that are testers, there's Aline and there's Jennifer. So how does it work? You're going to be exploring sites on your phone and you're going to send positive or negative feedback. Now, here's the trick. You never want to just give like one-liners and be like, okay, the site looks good or the site looks bad. You want to make sure that you give detailed information, and the more detailed that information is, the more you're going to get paid. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and that's how it's easy. So you're going to give you feedback and start earning money. You can just click on here. But before we do that, discover the testing app in a short video. So I'm going to play this video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Thibaut from Top Action. and I'm going to demonstrate how to fulfill a mission. I'm on the mission list right now, and I'm going to choose this IKEA mission on desktop. I've got a quick explanation of what expected from me, which is about discovering the website. A few steps, less than usual, but it's only a demonstration, and I can start the mission. I have also reminders of what is expected from me, and once I've read that, I am directly looking at the first instructions, which are about discovering the website. I have this link above which I can consult to do that. And well, probably my first impression is not so good, so I'm going to write about that. The thing is, although it's an e-commerce website, I was a bit confused with what was their proposition. So this is a problem for me. I would like to clarify what this website has to offer. I'm giving more details here, including correcting my spelling mistakes. I could make this feedback one of the most important for me, but I think it's okay for now. Also, I could stay on this step and add more comments, but I'm going to make only one comment for each step. So saving now. And I'm on step 2. I'm going to pause the video. I've now finished adding my remaining comments, and I've clicked on this button, review my feedback. I have now access to everything I've done, and I can see I've met various expectations. I can still change things, that is adding a feedback, deleting one, or changing it by entering into the feedback form. But I'm happy with everything I've done, so I'm just going to click finish the mission, and that will be it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for listening, and bye-bye.
All right, so you see it for yourself how simple and how easy this is. So it's not going to take so much effort for you to be able to be making money on this particular website. It's not going to be a lot of things that you're going to do. So all you have to do is just click on where it says start earning money. Once you click on here, you're going to put your email address in. You want to create a password, and then once you do that, you're going to sign up. And just for sign up as a tester and share your opinion, you can get €2 right now. So that as soon as you sign up, you're gonna get that €2, and €2 in American dollars is like, I would say roughly like over $2.20. So that's how you can make like $2 just by sharing your opinion over and over again. So it is a great website. You can sign up for it. It is absolutely free. You can use this anywhere in the world as long as your phone, right? You got your phone, you can sign up and you can get started. So if people want to find out more about the actual why to become a tester, there's over 100,000 people there working from home and they're testing already. That's a lot of people, and they're still looking for more. They're looking for people like you to get started right away. But these particular websites, you can make money. You don't really make a lot of money, but it's something that you can do here and there, and it does add up. Like, people can use this to run ads. If you got ads running, you can use it to do different social media. You can use it to pay some bill every month if that's something that you want to do. But these things that you don't get paid over and over again, all right? That's the only thing I don't like with those particular websites. You don't get paid very often. But if you're looking for a skill and something that you can do where you can start making money, I highly recommend you check out the first link in my description, because this will help you change your life, and it will also give you the skills and the tools that you need. Whether you're going to do Facebook ads, you want to learn how to do Instagram ads, and you want to be able to live the life that you deserve. So this is where I'm going to be doing most of the posting about the 5,000K, reaching the 5,000 mark. As creating this video, I'm sure you're going to watch it and it's going to be more, but I'm going to be doing some giveaways. So make sure that you pay close attention of what I'm doing here and just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check out my next video right after this, right up here. And this video is going to show you how to make money on autopilot for free, and you can make $100 per day. So make sure you check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.